Hi there, Adrian here. Hope you're okay. What I wanted you to do, if you could please, is I'm going to send you this notepad. Basically, what it's got on is 8 Twitter accounts that I've set up. Obviously, these are the username and the password, and also there's login details for a site called admefast.com. So what's probably best to do is, if you log into Twitter first using account number 1, like so, there we go. Obviously this tells us this is account number 1, and then we don't get mixed up. Once we're on account number 1 on Twitter, if you go to the admefast.com and enter the account details here, which I have there, that should get you into here. Basically, what you'll be doing is, I need you to follow, tweet, retweet or favourite other people's tweets. That then puts points into my account, and the other people then retweet my tweets, if you understand that. I'll show you how it goes. If we go to, when you first log into AdmeFast, if you go to Twitter tweets first, you'll see here it tells you which account you're using. So if we close that because it's on account 3, and then open account 1, you can see there it's on account 1 then. You'll only be using these 4, so it's up to you, but if we start at followers first, when we follow somebody we get the 2 points here added to our account here. So if we follow here, if you could just check on each one that there's no pornography or anything else that we don't want associating with, just a quick check. If we press follow and then close this, you'll see when it refreshes it adds the 1 point to this total at the top. And again, if we press follow and something went wrong that time, it does that quite often. Follow and close it out, and as you see it got added there to the top. This one's for 3 points. Again, follow, press follow and close it out, and that'll be added to the total at the top. What I was thinking is, if we could go onto each account, there's 8 accounts, 1 to 8, and get a total of 200 points per account. Obviously that's 1,600 points. When you've got 200 points on a daily basis, you then get a daily bonus, which is 200 points, which I've already got for today. But so when you get up to 200, if you just press on daily bonus, it'll bring you to here and you can get a bonus 200, so that'll take us up to 1,800 for the day. So again, we'll get, if you sort of go to followers first and get around 50 first on followers, and then go to tweets and tweet, that refreshes on its own, and as you can see again, that's added to the total at the top. So if we tweet that again, and that'll refresh itself and add hopefully to the total at the top. So you'll get another 50 there on tweets. Then you'll go to retweets and do the same thing again, retweet. When you've retweeted, it goes to follow, but don't follow because you don't get any points for following. Just retweet and then try again. Well, oh no, we see we don't want that one, so we just close that. That'll refresh, and retweet that and close it, and that'll add to the points total at the top. So we'll obviously get another 50 or thereabouts using the retweet method. And then to favourites, again, just a quick check, and then favourite and close it, and that adds to the total. Now sometimes this comes up, if that happens, just move to the next one, you know, whichever, and just carry on as you were before. Follow that, quick check and follow, close it out, and that should add to the total up here. When you've got to round about 200 per account, then you need to log out of Twitter and go to the next account, which will be this one, and log in with account number 2 to Twitter. As you can see here, this is account number 2. Then go across to AdMeFast and go straight to Twitter tweets, where you'll see this here is now on account 1 and it should be 2. So if we delete that and add account number 2, as you can see there, we're now on account number 2, so we can carry on again wherever we like, tweeting. Again, that'll add to the total. We've got 4 points there. Just a quick check and tweet that. As that refreshes, that goes on there. Again, 50, then move to the next one. When you've done another 200, then obviously back to Twitter, log out again, and go to account number 3, log back into Twitter with account number 3, go back to AdMeFast and straight to Twitter tweets. Again, this is on account 2 and it should be 3 now, so we'll delete that and go on to account number 3, which we're now on, and then carry on again. We'll tweet that. It shows up here which account you're on, so we'll tweet that, and that should add to our total at the top. And that's just about it. Obviously, again, once you get to, I'll be using the points after you've filled them up, but I need to use them at a certain time. So obviously, this shows you the accounts, sorry, the tweets that I've been using. If you could just leave that as is, and I'll, you know, you can start it by clicking the arrow, but I'll do that at a specific time. If you could just stick to obviously these 4. Again, just follow like this, and again when you get to 200 again on account number 3, just log out, log back in with account number 4, go to tweets and change this to account number 4, and then you can carry on as normal, not forgetting after the first 200 to get the daily bonus. So that it should be 1,800 points per day. What we'll do is sort of see how we get on the first day and see how long it takes, and it may be that we do a bit less or a bit more depending on how many hours it takes, and how many hours you're prepared to do, obviously. Okay, thanks very much then. I'll speak soon. Bye bye.